So in the market right now, I'm going to say that we're kind of getting into the danger zone. And this isn't to strike fear or anything like that, but people need to understand that right now we're getting back into this compression of longs and shorts. And last time we did that, the market got wildly volatile. Last time we actually got a nice spike to the upside, which is great. And I want to show you guys this in just a second. But first and foremost, this week was kind of frankly a garbage week. All right. We had massive outflows from institutional money. You guys can see what that looked like here. About $900 million worth of institutional outflows. Not a good number at all. In fact, this is one of the highest weeks of outflows we have ever seen. The last one that was this bad was all the way back in April at $1.2 billion. So they've obviously been liquidating in big ways. We don't always know why. It could have to do again with some of these things that were mentioned here. Big selling from large holders, the dollar strength, the US technology index, right? A lot of different things. We know that maybe this was even a carryover of sentiment from last week's FOMC meeting. Who knows what it is, right? Now, I will have to say this. Last time we saw this, we actually saw a pickup of steam in the overall crypto market. In fact, institutional money started adding in big ways. We saw 19 straight days of inflows, $4 billion. It was actually even more than I thought it was. I thought it was $3 billion. So maybe this is something that we're going to end up seeing again. It's probably going to be more of a gauge of the overall crypto market. I'll say right now, BTC is, again, still testing some of those ranges like we talked about. It's testing its 100-day moving average. We have big support down here at about 62K. But really this big thing that we're watching for and waiting for is this overall compression of the shorts and longs once we start working into one of these ranges. And this is what I mean. This is the BTC liquidation map. This is where, again, long positions and short positions are starting to converge. The range is tightening. They're getting closer and closer and pressing harder and harder. And you guys can see kind of where we're at here. Now, this is an old chart. This is from the 20th. And you guys can see that from this most recent one. This is from about an hour ago or so. It's lightened up a little bit. However, this range is very much narrowing. You guys can see that the long leverage is down here at about 63.8 or so. Short leverage is just above here at about 64.7 or so, 64.6. So once we start to work into one of those two ranges, the market is going to start to get wild. There's all a question about who presses too much, who is going to try to overextend their range like we've seen time and time again. Last time when BTC got up to the top right here, we had too much push from the longs. And guess what happened? They got liquidated to the downside. Down here, we had too much pressure from the shorts. Guess what? Liquidated to the upside. It's kind of this back and forth game that's taking place right now. And from what I'm seeing in the charts, and obviously this is not financial advice, we're sitting on some pretty key levels of support, right? This 100-day moving average, this is not somewhere that BTC likes to break or sit below very long. It wouldn't surprise me if shorts got a little impatient, if we did maybe get a bit sideways here, but if shorts got impatient and tried to push things down unnaturally, if we got a quick pop to the upside, just know that it is possible, again, like we talked about, to come down and try to test this 20-week moving average. This is sitting at right about that 62K range. This is crucial support for BTC. This is our bull market support band. Somewhere in here, I believe, is where our bounce takes place. It's possible we play out into this bull pennant like I was talking about. But right now, that's just kind of what we're dealing with. It's a lot of just back and forth, a lot of good times and sucky times, up and down, and liquidations left and right. And we're just kind of stuck in the middle. People that are sitting here waiting for the long term, these are the times where we just got to sit back, let things play out, accumulate when we can. That's what I've been doing, just building positions. But this is just what we're dealing with as the market as a whole right now. At some point, this will break. At some point, we'll just continue on like normal, and we'll all be hunky-dory, right? So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which way you think this breaks first. Are we going to get the shorts winning, or the longs going to take back over and send us up towards new all-time highs? Appreciate you guys as always. Have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.